Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how to download WhatsApp Desktop for Windows 7. Let's begin. To download WhatsApp Desktop, firstly we have to open any browser. Here I'm using Chrome browser to download WhatsApp Desktop. You can use any browser to download. Now search for WhatsApp up to down converter. Now, click on latest version. After that click on download, then it will start downloading. You can see here, the file is downloading. Let's wait to finish download. After downloading, click on that file and click on Run button. WhatsApp is now installing in the device. Let's wait to complete the installation. WhatsApp is now successfully installed in our device. Let's launch the app. Scan the QR using your phone to access the WhatsApp. If you like our content, and watch more videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire.